Alameda County Fire takes great pride in providing superior service to our communities and our members. Having clean and response-ready personal protective equipment is essential to keeping our firefighters safe and healthy. Jeff Kanabe is our PPE specialist and works daily to clean, inspect, test, and repair structural firefighting and wildland turnouts.
Hi, my name is Jeff Kanabe. I'm the PPE specialist for Alameda County Fire Department. I was hired in January of 2014 to oversee the department's NFPA 1851 care and maintenance program for structural firefighting gear. Prior to coming to work for Acfd, I was a facility manager at a care and maintenance facility for 4.5 years. Part of my functions here for the NFPA Compliance is to wash, inspect, test, and repair turnouts and wildland gear. I also oversee the PPE uniform board, where members request uniform items and PPE. In addition to ensuring that Alameda County Fire is NFPA 1851 compliant, the main purpose of why I love this job is to source out the most advanced, newest PPE for our members so they can have the safest product as possible. But I also love it because by ensuring that the gear is properly maintained and cleaned, it ensures that all of our members go home safe to their families.